We'll have the tray, the ball bearing slides, the clips, and the hardware for screwing down the tray and mounting these members. First thing you do is you're going to draw the lines on the tray. So you find the front of the tray, which has the scoop, and the bottom of the tray, which is dadoed in. And you're going to draw 3/4 of a line on the bottom, from the bottom up 3/4. And I take a speed square and make a mark, and that's 3/4 up. You can also measure, the tape measure, and it's 3/4. So once you do that, you take the member off the ball bearing slide, put it in the front. You take the hardware provided. There's going to be 8 screws. You'll have 4 big ones and 4 small ones. You take the 4 small ones, you take 2, this one gets 5. And then we're going to screw it on to the drawer. One on the back, one on the front. And you get the other side. Draw 3/4 of a line up from the bottom. Find the front of the tray, which is here. Take the ball bearing slide member off the ball bearing slide, the tab, to release it. And then mount the slide with this tab facing the front where the scoop is. And taking the 2 small screws, flushing up in the front, putting one in the very front, and one on the back. Take your ball bearing slides and your clips, open the package with your Euro screws. There'll be 8 of them. The first step is to open up the ball bearing slide. Now you're going to put the bracket that has the threaded for the Euro screw underneath. And then you're going to simply screw through the ball bearing slide until it sinks down all the way. That's in the back. And you're going to do another one in the front. It's the second and the third hole from the front. And then you put another Euro screw into those. And that side is done. Now I set it down so it represents the back here. And then the other side, you're going to do the same thing, except reverse. So by the time you get them connected, it'll be the mirror image of the other one. Again, you just, from the second and third hole from the front, just mount the Euro, screw it through the bracket, and then on the front part, same thing. Put 2 more screws in. Now you're ready to put the tray, the slides on the tray. So the last step is finding the bottom of the tray. What you're going to do is you're going to simply come from the back and you're going to slide it in until it goes into the grooves. The ball bearing slide, and that's it. 4 big screws, number 10s, and we're going to take the tray, we're going to set it in covered. And you want to square it. And then you're going to simply pull it out. And you're going to throw the screws in the tray. Fasten it down. Put one on each back. You hold it down. Close it back. Pull it all the way out. Where it doesn't bind. And once you get to that certain point, you throw one more screw in, back, and you throw your last screw in. And you're done.